This is not a hole. It doesn't pull like a vacuum. A black hole is extreme gravity. Gravity pushed to its limit. So strong, light cannot escape. This boundary is called the event horizon. Cross it, and there is no return. From far away, it looks calm. But space itself is bending. Light curves around it. Time slows down near the edge. Clocks tick differently here. Matter stretches as it falls. This process is called spaghettification. Atoms are pulled apart. Nothing remains solid. Not planets. Not stars. Not even light. Black holes are invisible. We detect them by their effects. Stars orbit something unseen. Gas heats as it falls inward. It glows before disappearing. At the center lies the singularity. A point of infinite density. Physics breaks down there. Our equations no longer work. Most galaxies have one. Including our own. The Milky Way has a supermassive black hole. 4 million times the Sun's mass. Yet space around it is stable. Black holes do not hunt stars. They follow gravity's rules. Get too close, and you fall. From far away, they behave like stars. Only denser. Black holes can merge. When they do, space-time ripples. We call these gravitational waves. They travel across the universe. reaching Earth billions of years later. Black holes are not cosmic monsters. They are natural outcomes. Born from dying stars. Or ancient cosmic collisions. They shape galaxies. They influence cosmic evolution. They challenge our understanding. What happens inside remains unknown. Information may not be lost. The debate continues. Black holes test reality itself. They bend space. They slow time. They redefine distance. They reveal the universe's limit. Not holes. But extreme gravity made visible.